understand the behavior of a polar dielectric in external field. Now I have considered examples of HCl and H2O as polar dielectrics, which you can see here. Now, at present, let us say that the electric field is 0. In that case, this polar dielectric slab has its permanent dipole moment. But as you can see, the direction of all these dipole moments here also, you can see the direction of P vector is this way, direction of P vector is this way. In this case also you can see what is the direction of P from negative charge to the positive charge. You can see the directions of all these dipole moments denoted by P vector is a random in different directions, okay? But the direction is random. Whose direction is random? P arrow's direction is random. Therefore, the net dipole moment P arrow is 0. This happens in the absence of external electric field for a polar dielectric. Now let me place the polar dielectric in the presence of external electric field. As soon as I place the polar dielectric in the presence of external field, the dipole moment or the dipoles will align themselves in the same direction as you can see, and this portion will have all negative charges of the dipole and this portion will have all positive charges of the dipole. So this situation is called as the dielectric is polarized. Okay, so as soon as I place the polar dielectric in the presence of external field, the dipole moments will align themselves in the direction, in same direction as that of the external electric field. Okay.